डाल डाल पर सोने की चिड़िया करती है बसेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा। जहाँ सत्य अहिंसा और धर्म का लगता पग पग डेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा। Hello guys, this is Akash Kumar from to Sanskar Art channel. In this video, I show that how to write acknowledgement for English project file. In this acknowledgement, I wrote first sentence that primarily I would thank God for being able to complete this project with success. Then I would like to thank my English teacher, Mr. Manish Gupta, whose valuable guidance has been the success. His suggestion and his instructions has served as the major contributor towards the completion of the project. Then I would like to thank my parents and friends who have helped me with their valuable suggestions and guidance has been helped in various phases of the completion of the project. But last not the least, I would like to thank my classmates who have helped me a lot. Thank you. That's all. And uh, in this video, we know that how to write acknowledgement.